The majority of people hear the word shrimp and think of a small pink crustacean that some people order in cocktails or with their fettuccine alfredo, and not a deadly killer who lives in a world of color, but that is just what a mantis shrimp is. Most people our age simply haven't had the opportunity to learn about this crazy creature, as it is a bit of an odd one. I first discovered mantis shrimp by accident in a documentary on marine life when I was little, and I was captivated off the bat. Mantis shrimp are incredible, from their colorful exteriors to their intricate eyes and their deadly claws. They seem more like a Pokemon than an animal from our world. First, I'd like to go over their power behind the unique eyes. Then I'll elaborate on the uses and the types of their claws. Thirdly, I'll touch on their interactions with other mantis shrimp, and lastly, their aggressive nature. When looking at a mantis shrimp, one of its most distinct features is its captivating eyes, which are considered to be the most complex of any animal on Earth. Humans have three different kinds of photoreceptors in our own eyes. Butterflies have five. Mantis shrimp have anywhere from 12 to 16 different kinds of photoreceptors, allowing them to see an array of colors and light that we couldn't even imagine. Mantis shrimp can experience 5 different levels of deep ultraviolet light, all the way to far red colors. Their compound eyes themselves are designated into 3 distinct regions. There is an upper and lower hemisphere, and a midband in between separating the two. The midband is where the mantis shrimp's ability to see color comes from. Midbands are typically comprised of 6 rows of ommatidia, which are clusters of the photoreceptor cells. The first 4 of these rows are what gives the mantis shrimp the ability to see color. These incredible eyes, coupled with the 2 main kinds of claws the species of mantis shrimp have, make it a very effective predator. There are 2 general categories of mantis shrimp. There are the spearers and the smashers. Spearing mantis shrimp have spiny barbed claws meant for scooping up and slashing at prey. They typically hide in loose sand when waiting for fish and other prey to pass by. They'll grab out and they'll snatch them. The second category of mantis shrimp are the smashers. Instead of barbs and spikes, these powerful stomatopods have bowling ball-like fists and on their appendages. The mantis shrimp's punch is very powerful and is as quick as a .22 caliber bullet. It's the fastest strike in the animal kingdom. It strikes its prey so quickly that it boils the water around the claws, and it can momentarily generate temperatures as hot as the surface of the sun. These 2 classes of mantis shrimp are not the only ones, however. There is also the lesser-known hatchet mantis shrimp. Very little is known about this, however. These creatures all have individualized claws that allow them to attack their prey in unique ways and with devastating power. These are solitary creatures for the most part, but they do interact with each other in a couple of ways. Mantis shrimp can be very territorial, but they have good memories and can learn. Over their 20-year lifespan, these guys will learn to recognize their neighbors by just appearance and get in plenty of scuffles over living space with them as well. Although they stick to themselves most of the time, some species of mantis shrimp actually enter monogamous relationships with their mate partners and stay with them for life. Over the lifespan of a mantis shrimp, they'll typically reproduce anywhere from 20 to 30 times. But with the birth of more mantis shrimp, it means more competition for space and for food, and their hostile nature can really shine through in close quarters. Mantis shrimp are very territorial and will not attack any other mantis shrimp living far away, but the ones that come close are sure for a battle. And these mantis shrimp are built for battle. With their 2 eyes moving independently of each other, they are constantly ready and scanning their environment for potential threats and prey. Each of the 3 hemispheres of their eyes creates a different image, meaning they have secular vision. Humans ourselves, with 2 different points of view, only have binocular vision. So the mantis shrimp has great depth perception. They also have tough armor, similar to lobsters when boiled, as they must be able to withstand blows from other mantis shrimp when they get into battle. Some mantis shrimp can even tune their eyes and adjust how sensitive they are to color. The wide range of abilities of their eyes allow them to be very present in their environment, which is great for avoiding predators like the barracuda and for locating prey like hermit crabs or small fish. It's clear to see that the mantis shrimp is truly a unique creature in this mysterious marine world. From their incredible eyes, to their powerful claws, to their relationships with other mantis shrimp, these cool crustaceans are sure to catch the attention of anyone who happens to see them. Hopefully, now that you know a little more about the mantis shrimp, you can see how special these creatures are as well. We can only imagine that the colorful world they live in every day.